with my tools. They say drink water and mind your business, but I'm not going to mind my business. A little birdie tells me that you're having a tough time using this machine. It's frustrating you and you almost want to give up on your, sewing dreams. Wait though, this machine is called the butterfly. Maybe that the butterflies went into the air and told the birds that you're frustrated. Okay. I'm going to help you. I'm going to tell you 3 things to look out for when your machine starts acting up. This machine no big pass also.
I did a video tutorial on the sewing machine parts, function and use, and a little maintenance or servicing. I'll leave the link down in the description box. Please head down there and watch that video. Lots of people find it so useful.
So looking at my stitch here, come close. Everything looks okay. Let's flip this the other way. My stitch looks just fine. So when your machine starts acting up, the first thing you should look out for is your stitch regulator. This is the stitch regulator. You want to make sure that your stitches are not so loose. Now the lower you go with your stitch regulator, the longer the stitch and hence the looseness of the stitch. And then the higher you go, the tighter the stitch and also the shorter the stitch. So you want to make sure that your stitch regulator is somewhere between 10 and 7. Ooh, I'm sorry you can't see it. Somewhere between 10 and 7. That's where you place the stitch regulator. You would have a stitch that is not too long and not too short. The second thing you want to look out for is your needle. How old is your needle? It took me 6 years of being in this business to know that you have to change your needle after every project. Don't be like me. So the next thing you have to look out for is your tension. You want to make sure that your thread is correctly passing through your tension discs, like so. Let me illustrate it again. Your thread is correctly passing through your tension discs. And next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the tension is tight enough. Now, not so tight so we don't get into trouble, but tight enough to provide you with the right tension you need the thread to flow by. This straightens your thread. Saliva. For is your shuttle. You want to make sure that your shuttle screw is tight enough. As you come close. So this is your shuttle. Can you see the screw? Can you see the screw? Alright. So this is your shuttle and this is the screw. So you want to use a shuttle screwdriver. So you'd want to use a screwdriver to tighten the knot to ensure that your shuttle is tight enough. Now, if you've used your shuttle over time, your screw is not going to be able to hold tight enough. So in that case, you will throw the shuttle away. Oh my God! How is our hustle? It's a help also. Let us make the money. So somebody said she had a dream about me, and it was a very good dream. And I'm like, the money is coming. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. So 3 things I've said in this video. If your machine is acting up, check your stitch regulator, check your tension, check your needle. In fact, change the needle. 4 things actually. And then the 4th one, tighten your shuttle. And if the shuttle is weak, throw it away.